Hello children. So in the light reaction we have seen the chlorophyll molecule becoming oxidized, and that means by losing one electron, and this is handed over to electron acceptors and finally forming NADPH, and so NADPH is formed. What happens to the oxidized chlorophyll molecule? So this oxidized chlorophyll molecule will split the water molecule. So you can write the equation. Water is to H2O, and it splits, breaks the water molecule into ions. So how can 4H plus 4 electrons and oxygen. So this oxidized chlorophyll molecule is splitting the water molecule. So you know, according to the equation, water is necessary. So it is splitting the water molecule into ions, 4 hydrogen positive ions, 4 electrons and oxygen molecule. This oxygen molecule is released into the atmosphere. And here what happens? Here these chlorophyll molecules, what happened? This chlorophyll molecule is in oxidized condition. So the splitting of water molecule is called as photolysis. It is called photolysis. What is photolysis? Photo means light. Lysis means breakdown. So breakdown of water molecule in the presence of light is called photolysis. Okay. Now, so this the water molecule is split into ions, hydrogen positive, and hydrogen contains one electron and one proton, that you know. So it splits hydrogen into that means positive and one 4 electrons and oxygen is released into the atmosphere. And now this oxidized chlorophyll molecule will accept this oxidized chlorophyll molecule will accept the electrons and it will get back to normal condition. So this is in oxidized condition and it will take the electrons and it will get back to normal chlorophyll condition. We understand? Now, what? So oxygen is released into the atmosphere, electrons are accepted by chlorophyll molecule, and what about the protons? What about the protons? So like electrons, protons also carry certain amount of energy. So these protons which are formed in the cranium, so they pass through into the stroma. So these, when a large number of protons are accumulated, there is lot of energy. So what happens to this energy that is present in the protons? So here in the stroma, there is ADP, adenosine diphosphate, with 2 phosphate molecules, and inorganic phosphate is there. Inorganic phosphate is there, ADP, adenosine diphosphate is there. But they are not able to combine. They are not able to form together. Why? Because energy is required. So the energy that is present in the protons is utilized for the formation of a chemical bond between ADP and inorganic phosphate, forming ATP. ATP, adenosine triphosphate. Adenosine triphosphate. So the energy that is present in the protons, so large number of protons will get accumulated, and then the energy that is present in the protons, so for the formation of a chemical bond, energy is required. So where is the energy to combine ADP and PI, inorganic phosphate? Means here the energy that is present in the protons, that is hydrogen protons, is used for the formation of ATP, adenosine triphosphate. So in this way, by the end of light reaction, we can see, so do you understand this? Are you able to follow? So by the end of So we can have one more thing. So here we have seen the term photolysis. What is photolysis? Splitting of a water molecule by oxidized chlorophyll molecule is called as photolysis. Photo means light, lysis means breakdown. And in the same way, formation of ATP is called as phosphorylation. 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 Phosphorylation, formation of ATP is called phosphorylation. Because it is taking place in the presence of light, it is called photophosphorylation. Photophosphorylation. Photophosphorylation, formation of ATP in the presence of light is called photophosphorylation. Do you understand? Now, if you see in light reaction, what happens? What are the end products of light reaction? NADPH, ATP, and oxygen. So NADPH and ATP are energy rich compounds. They contain a lot of energy. And so they are also called as assimilatory powers. They are called as assimilatory power. So the energy that is present in NADPH and ATP put together known as a assimilatory power. This energy is utilized in the dark reaction for the formation of glucose. Okay. So do you understand light reaction? First thing, chlorophyll, oxidation of chlorophyll molecule, that means electron is accepted by electron acceptor, NADPH is formed. Oxidized chlorophyll molecule splitting the water molecule, that is called photolysis, and it is splitting the water molecule into ions. And next thing, oxygen is released. And these electrons are accepted by chlorophyll molecule, and chlorophyll molecule comes back to normal condition. And remaining the energy that is present in the protons, large number of protons will get accumulated, and they pass through from grana to stroma, and they help in the bond formation between ADP and inorganic phosphate and form ATP, adenosine triphosphate. So by the end of light reaction, NADPH, ATP are formed and oxygen is released. So NADPH and ATP, they contain a lot of energy, so they are called assimilatory powers, and oxygen is released into the atmosphere. Okay. So do you understand the light reaction? So if you have any doubt, please let me know. So that's all for today. Thank you.